Hey guys, it's Sydney Trains in New South Wales Training Channel speaking to you. Just thought I'd pass the Hornsby Maintenance Centre. Here we have water set A51. I'm pretty sure it is A51, as you might be able to see there. Here we have T59 and sightings T127, D6819, and 5810, and 5860, and something else. And the reef for cars, judging by the car numbers, is T68.
It's K95 and an off sector thing up. I think the real speed maintenance center is coming up here and about now. Well, it's here. Those were just sightings. Here's the real Hornsby Maintenance Centre. A54 just pulling into this maintenance centre. There's also a Tangara, or I think there's a Tangara somewhere. A42. A62. I think that's pretty much it. Oh, there could be another one. And there's ATV Oscars H4 and H5. And then it's... Anyway guys, I'm not strong. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, share, see you on the next time.